Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives. So in order to do this, we'll need to download the RAR app on our Sony Xperia 10.4. Then let's move to DCIM and then undraw right here. There's a few pictures. I'm gonna pick 3 of them. Now to pack them, click on this plus button. You'll be able to customize archiving options like changing its name, extension, some settings like delete files after archiving, create solid archives. You'll be able to also put the password on this archive. There was advanced options, more set options right there, and the comments right here. Click OK when you set up all of the settings, and we've just created our RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.